Okay, so last question was, what's better? So here we are sticking with the prevention and the hygiene side of things. So what's better, an electric toothbrush or a manual toothbrush?
Look, I would ask your dentist this. Once again, I just throw out these opinions, you know, what I think. You know, it's very different depending on the needs of the person, the patient. I feel in most cases electric is better. Most of my patients are a little bit lazy. I'm a little bit lazy. So the electric toothbrushes, it just takes all the work out of it. It kind of gives you that easy technique. It times things. It's
pressure sensitive too, isn't it?
Yeah, depending on what one you get. You know, I think like 10 years ago, 20 years ago, getting an electric toothbrush was like $300. Like it was this ridiculous expense. Now they're super cheap. You know, they're rechargeable. Like they're very easy. So I would think in most cases it's going to give you a better clean. Some people don't like the sensation. Some people find it's rough. If that's you, then that's fine. If you can go to a manual toothbrush, whatever's going to work for you, whatever's giving you a really good result, stick with that. But probably as a generalization, I would say electric is better.
Yeah. And I think, and that's coming back to the hygiene appointments or your regular checkups, they'll identify areas that you're missing. So regardless, you know, you can still miss spots with your electric toothbrush. It's not this, you know, the be all and end all. It still requires a technique, doesn't it? Like, you know.
Yes.
So, you know, that's what I love about that. And, you know, they use that disclosing solution. So it's like this purple, if you've ever had that, anyone out there, the purple solution they place on your teeth, and then it reveals all your dirty secrets basically of where you've been missing. So the other thing I love about electric toothbrushes though is for elderly people or children, you know, where their dexterity isn't quite right, you know, to be able to manipulate a manual toothbrush sometimes can be quite difficult, and, you know, especially towards the back of the mouth. And you know, with an electric toothbrush, it has got a smaller head generally, doesn't it, Heath? And then you can get to those spots, and I think it's just a bit easier to handle. Yeah,
usually it is. I mean, but there's some really cool like little manual ones that you can get now as well. So I would caution as a very guarded sort of thing to say generally get electric, but everyone is a little bit different. Like if you've got implants, if you've got really severe gum disease, you know, or history of, there's a lot of other different tools in there as well. Like I was about to say Pixter, but that's a brand. So we'll talk about interdental brushes that are very good. And sometimes you need that really super gentle, different kind of touch with a manual brush. So I don't think I've answered the question really. I think it's just, it depends.
No, you definitely sat on the fence with that one.
Yes, I have. Yeah, no. Great. Mission accomplished.
No, that's good. I think, you know, like you said, I guess it's each to their own, and, you know, what feels comfortable. At the end of the day, brush your teeth twice a day and floss, regardless of what it's with, and you'll be better off.
Yeah, absolutely. And seek out that advice of your dentist. If you don't have one, I think there's a platform that you can go on and find the best dentist for you as well, isn't there, Becky?
I'm pretty sure you can name that one. Just saying.
Can you? I think so. Maybe is it AirSmile?
I think it's AirSmile. So thanks, Heath. We'll wrap it up there. So again, if you have your questions, guys, we'll be on here as often as we can. So send any lingering questions to hello@airsmile.com. We'd be happy to answer them for you here on live when we jump on, or send you an email. In the meantime, we have launched AirSmile in Brisbane. So as he said, it is a platform where you can go on and find the perfect dentist for you. So week by week, we're gathering more dentists that are joining as our dentist members. They are amazing. As Dr. Ash, so he's out at Kingaroy. So we're spreading our wings far and wide. So please jump on there. You can download it. It is free to use, free to book with your favorite dentist. But it just allows you to be able to sort through and be able to find a practice that is actually really matched for the things that you need. So, you know, today we mentioned things about offering amalgam fillings or not, on the day crowns, so CEREC crowns. hygienists, all of that is available for you to filter through and to be able to find somebody that meets your needs. And you can also compare plans as well. So if you've been to the dentist recently and you want to have a look at what your plan would compare against some of our members, you can do that too. So check us out at all the W's, airsmile.com. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you again back here soon. Thanks, Heath. That was great.
No worries at all. Thanks, Beck.
No
Enjoy your
worries.
night, everyone. Bye. Thanks for your time.